Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, Asheri XO. If you are new here, my name is Francis, and if you're returning, hey bestie. For today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I created this super chic pink chrome press-on nail set. Alrighty y'all, so I start off with freshly washed hands, and then I go in with my Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover and push back my cuticles with this cuticle tool. For this portion of my routine, I work with both of my hands, but as soon as I start painting, I start off with my right hand before moving on to my left hand. After pushing back my cuticles and washing off the product, I then size my nail tips onto my nails and then begin etching the base with my drill. Once all the tips are etched, I line them up off to the side and begin building the foundation of this set. I start off by applying a dehydrator to all 10 of my fingernails and then follow up with a primer. Once all 10 of my fingers are prepped and primed, I go back in with the dehydrator on the press-ons. After prepping all 10 press-ons, I go in with one layer of the nail glue on all 10 of my nails and cure it under the lamp. After all 10 fingers have been cured with the glue, I then apply the nail tips to my nail with the nail glue. To apply my nail tips, I use a separate UV lamp just to allow them to stick on. Before, I was using my regular hooded LED lamp, but it got a little bit hard to stick on the nails while shoving my hands under there. So I switched up and I bought a separate lamp just to apply the nails, and then I still use my same LED when I am painting. And I also saw a trick on TikTok to apply aluminum foil to the base of your LED lamp. It helps your nails dry quicker and all around, so you don't have to stick them in there for too long. As always, all the products and tools that I use will be linked down below, and they're also listed in my Amazon storefront. So if you want to start doing your nails and you don't know what to get, feel free to take a look there. I have everything that I use available. Once all the tips are glued on, I then go in with my nail trimmer and trim down the nails to the length that I want. This new nail trimmer is absolutely amazing because it has an adjustable lever that you can set to any desired number, and it makes sure that all your nails are trimmed at the exact length. Once all the tips are trimmed down, I then go in with my file to achieve my desired shape. For this look, I decided to keep the same almond shape for my nails, but since I had trimmed them, I have to reshape them. So once I'm done shaping, I go back in with my drill to flatten out the edges of the press-on nail on top of my nail. I've definitely changed up my routine from the first time I started doing my nails, and this is one of the integral steps that I've noticed because it flattens out the edge of the press-on on your actual nail, and therefore it tends to last a lot longer. Like I know the primer and the hydrator help out a lot, but I feel like this part is very important too. After filing down the base of the nail, I go back in with the dehydrator and then the base coat. After I've cured my base coat, I then go in with 3 layers of this sheer neutral color. Once the 3rd layer has cured, I then put on a matte top coat. This top coat is to prevent your chrome powder from sticking all over your nail instead of where your design is. Next, I'm going to begin creating the French tip, and with that, I'd scoop out a little bit of gloss gel top coat, then going in with my detailed brush to paint on the French tip. I like to use the wider end of the detailed brush to even out the coat of paint. This is because I've noticed that once I apply the chrome powder, all the creases and ridges and unevenness of the coat will be very apparent, and the color value of the chrome powder will be compromised. Once all the French tips have been created and cured, I go in with my chrome powder and the applicator that comes in the pack and smooth out the color onto the French tip. After all the chrome powder is applied, I wipe off the excess with a foam sponge. This is the final look with the color applied. You can stop here and add your top coat, but I ended up going in with another layer of the clear top coat and then reapplying the powder just so that the chrome color would have a deeper color value. Once I'm satisfied with my right hand, I then repeat the entire process on my left hand. When I'm all done painting my nails, I go in with my cuticle oil and apply it to the base of all 10 fingers. I don't wanna think so much. I just wanna feel. So this is the final look of the nails. I absolutely love them. I got so many compliments on this set and I still have them on to this day. They've lasted me about 4 weeks and I'm so happy. Definitely let me know what y'all think down below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye! Johnny,